Hi, scholars. We're going to get ready to do some math. Now, remember this week when we're doing math, we are reviewing. So we're reviewing some concepts that we've already learned. So let's go ahead and move that out of the way. Let's go ahead and look what we're going to be working on today. And this is called adding in any order. And so that is a really easy way of saying commutative property. Remember, commutative property is super fun. So commutative property is when we take two numbers, right, like 5 and 2, and we switch places. Super easy. So 7 plus 1, now we're going to switch our numbers. 1 plus 7 equal 8. Now we can go ahead and we can look at horizontal or we can look at vertical, and it doesn't matter, it's the same. So let's look at our first example. And the first example that I have is 5 plus 2 is 7. So if I switch 5 and 2 and I move them, now I'm going to say 2 plus 5, and the answer is still 7. Just like 5 plus 2 is 7, now I'm going to switch and I'm going to put 2 plus 5 is 7, commutative property. I like to draw the arrows because I think it's nice and fun. You don't have to draw the arrows if you don't want to, but it is pretty fun. Okay, let's look at our next math problem. And the next problem says 3 plus 2 is 5. We're going to use that commutative property and switch our numbers. So now we have 2 plus 3 is 5. All right, we're going to use this commutative property to solve it this way. 3 plus 2 is 5, and now we're going to switch. 2 plus 3 is 5. Isn't that fun? Okay, last one that we have, 4 plus 3 is 7. Now we're going to switch, use that commutative property. 3 plus 4, and the answer is still 7. 4 plus 3 we know is 7, and now we're going to use that commutative property. 3 plus 4 is 7. It's just a fun way of moving our numbers around. Let's go ahead and look and see what we have today. So today it's telling you you can add numbers in any order and get the same answer, the same sum. And so we already did that. So let's look at our turtles. And our turtles are saying 3 plus 2 is 5. Then we're going to switch. So 2 plus 3 is 5. That's pretty easy. We're experts on this. 1 plus 4 is 5. Do you remember? So 1 and 4. Now we're going to switch. Okay, and now we're going to say 4 plus 1 is 5. Hold on 1 second. Okay. I have Penelope's trying to get in. Okay, now let's look at this number. 2 plus 1 is 3. So now we're going to switch it. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, let's go ahead and look and see. 2 plus 5, we know. 5, 6, 7. So now we're going to go ahead and do our commutative property. Switch the 5 on top. Bring the 2 down. Is 7. 6 plus 3, grab that 6, right? 7, 8, 9. And now we're going to switch commutative property. So the 3 is going to go on top. Then we have the 6 and we have the 9. Flip it over. All right. Oh, I shouldn't use such a dark color. Okay, let me use a lighter color on this side. 5 plus 3 is 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we're going to switch. So we're going to put 3 first. And we're going to put 5 second. 3 plus 5 is 8. It's the same answer. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now we're going to switch. And then we're going to write 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4. And now we're going to switch. 3 plus 1 is 4. Commutative property. So fun. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do it vertical. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So that means we're going to bring it up. 1's going to come here. 8's going to come here. And the answer is 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. And now we're going to do commutative property. 4 plus 3 is 7. And last one, 9 plus 0 is 9. We're going to switch that order. 0 plus 9 is 9. Pretty easy, huh? Okay. What is the same as 4 plus 1? So remember, we're going to look at those same numbers. Can't be that one because that's 1 plus 5. We're looking for 4 and 1 and 4 and 1. Oh, let's look at the bottom. We see the number 1 and the number 4. It's just switched. So let's look at the next one. Which is the same as 6 plus 3? So I'm looking for 6 and a 3 and a 6 and a 3. Oh, there's a 3. There's a 6. And is it switched? Yep, the answer is 6. So commutative property, remember, that is a fun one. We like that one. It's pretty easy. All right, I can't wait to see your paper.